In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically adjust the width of columns and rows in Excel. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet and found that your headers are cut off or your numbers spill into the next cell, this quick technique will save you time and make your sheet look polished. We'll use Excel's built-in AutoFit tools, which size rows and columns precisely to fit the content you already have, no guesswork required. Start with your worksheet open and decide what you want to resize. AutoFit works on whatever you've selected, so you can highlight a single cell, a range, entire columns or rows, or even the whole sheet. The feature measures the tallest or widest entry in your selection and adjusts everything included in that selection accordingly. Next, go to the ribbon at the top and look for the Home tab. In the group labeled cells, you'll see the Format button. Click Format to open its menu. This is where Excel keeps options for organizing your sheet's structure, including row height and column width. Under the Cell Size section in that menu, choose AutoFit Row Height. Excel will immediately adjust the selected rows so that every row is tall enough to display its tallest cell without cutting anything off. This is especially helpful when you have wrapped text, multi-line notes, or larger fonts that make some rows feel cramped. You'll notice the change right away. Rows expand just enough to reveal all the content, and nothing more. Now, in that same cell size section, click AutoFit Column Width. Excel will scan your selection and widen or narrow each column so the longest entry in each one is fully visible. This is perfect for column headers, product names, or any text that was previously truncated with those little overflow indicators. You'll end up with neat, readable columns sized precisely to the data. A few quick tips as you review the results. AutoFit respects your selection, so if only part of the sheet changed, check what you had highlighted before you click the options. If some text still appears cut off, it might be very long without spaces, or it could be inside merged cells. Merged cells can prevent AutoFit from calculating height accurately. Also, if your data changes later, you can repeat these same two AutoFit actions anytime to refresh the sizing. That's all there is to it. By using Format, then AutoFit Row Height and AutoFit Column Width, you ensure your spreadsheet looks clean, consistent, and easy to read with just a couple of clicks.